Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add UPS shipping on your WooCommerce store. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, head over to UPS and then click on create an application to download it. After that, if you have an account, then you can easily log in, or you can also click on create a UPS username to create a new account. After that, what you need to do is once you've logged in, you need to click on add app. From there, you need to click on I want to integrate UPS shipping capabilities to my business, and then choose the account with this access key. And then from there, you're going to put in all of your information and then click on next. Then what you're going to do is click on the app name. You could also search the product over here and everything you can see, and click on save. Then you can see that your client ID and the client secret key will be over here. So what you need to do basically is head over to the manage access keys in the UPS developer key. So you're gonna get the access keys and then click on request an access key by this one, and then you're gonna select WooCommerce and then click on next. Finally, what you're going to do is head over to WooCommerce, into dashboard, into shipping methods, and from there you're going to click on add shipping method, and then you're going to choose the flat rate and click on add shipping method, and then you'll see all of the shipping methods that will be available, and from there UPS will automatically be here. So you're going to click on this one to enable it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.